Hi guys,
Hi.
it's Mimi and
Tiger.
Tiger time. Okay, I got a fun book.
Fun?
Fun.
Oh, I like fun.
I know you do.
Do you like fun?
I do love fun.
Oh, great. I guess we're going to have
We
lots
are
of fun.
gonna have lots of fun. Okay, the book is called "This Book Just Ate My Dog."
Ooh, I might stand back because if he had a dog, he
it
might like
be a
cat.
tiger. Yeah, he
Yeah.
might like cats, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right, let's see what happens. This book just ate my dog. See the dog? You scared? Don't be
A
scared.
little scared.
I'll pull you out if you get stuck.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks.
All right. And we're going to help the doggy get out too. We get to help him.
Great.
Yeah. Bella was taking her dog for a stroll across the page when
Wait, what's a stroll?
a walk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was walking across the page of the book, and here comes her doggy, who's walking behind her. Look at, he disappeared.
What happened?
Something very odd happened. I don't know. He went into the book. Look at Bella. She's like, what happened? What happened to my dog? Yeah. Bella's dog disappeared. He's all gone. He's all gone in the middle of the book. Oh no. I know, he's not in the back. No. You believe it? That was a big dog. Don't be scared. It's okay.
I'm looking. I don't see the dog anywhere.
Well, just a minute, because we'll get him out. Hello, Bella. What's up? Said Ben. This book just ate my dog. Ben decided to investigate. So he's going to go into the middle of the book.
Oh!
Uh-oh. You know what happens? But Ben disappeared too.
Oh!
You can't see him, can you?
Nope.
No. And Bella's like, all she can see is the balloon going up.
Oh.
Suddenly, help zoomed in. Here's the dog rescue. So it's coming in, right?
Woo, woo,
And it goes into the book.
Oh!
Then vanished. Things were getting ridiculous. Here comes the fire brigade and the police, and they're all going into the book. I'll just have to sort this out myself, thought Bella.
So is the book getting heavy?
No, it's not, but that's a good question.
Because there's a lot of
It
stuff
should
in
be,
there.
huh?
Yeah.
But burp. The book burped.
Burp.
Burp.
Like you just drink a soda?
Like that, yeah. Sometime later, a note appeared. It read, Dear reader, it would be lovely if you could kindly help us. Okay, you want to help them?
Sure.
Sure. Please
How about
turn.
you guys? You want to help?
Yeah, you guys want to help? You
Come
can
on.
help too.
Come on.
Okay. Please turn this book on its side and shake. Okay, and it's Love, Bella. Shake and shake and shake. Here comes the fire brigade out. Here comes the police car. And here comes Bella. You think the doggy's gonna come next? Oh, I bet. And one last little wiggle. Everyone reappeared. There's Bella and the dog. And then, oh my goodness.
Everybody's out now.
Everybody's out now. and things got back to normal. Well, almost. See, the doggy's hind feet are up, and the doggy's front feet are down, and his tail's on the bottom instead of up on top.
Well,
Well, hopefully he gets back to normal, huh?
something's not right.
No.
I feel sorry for the doggy.
I know, me too. Dear reader, please tell this book to promise not to be so naughty next time you read it. Thank you, Bella. So they were all back to normal now.
That was kind of scary.
Me too. I'm glad we could help them though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was kind of fun.
Yeah. Shake.
Shake, shake them out.
Everybody shake.
Shake, shake them out.
Thanks for the story, Mimi.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping, Tiger.
Sure.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed this book, Just Ate My Dog. And be sure to help someone else, okay? We love you so much. Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.